So what is a jumbo loan? Well, a jumbo loan is any loan amount over the conforming limit for that area. So right now it's any amount slightly over 800,000 that you're going to be borrowing. That suddenly puts a ton of new rules into place for your home loan. Let's start with the down payment. For a general big box run-of-the-mill jumbo loan where you're going to want to get your best interest rate, that is going to be a 20% down minimum for that jumbo loan. Otherwise, you're going to want to look at about 25% for your best pricing, 25 to 30% down. You're going to want to also have at least a 740, ideally 760 or above credit score, so a lot higher on the credit score requirements. On your income requirements, they are very strict. They want to make sure that you're 2 years self-employed, super solid, 2 years history, that you're not wavering on your jobs. They're very strict when it comes down to it, and it's very, very underwriter discretion. There are not federally placed or mandated rules in underwriting, so a lot of them will have little tweaks and little rules here and there where they're called overlays, but they are loaning you millions of dollars. So new rules apply for a jumbo loan, but also on the debt to income, you cannot go up to 50%. It is 43% is your maximum total debt to income ratio. Don't forget that's always off your gross income. So for those self-employed, they're going to be looking at your tax return income, W-2. They're just looking at your W-2 income. So we're going to have all kinds of new restrictions for those jumbo loans, mainly being that down payment. So if you are looking for a jumbo loan, but you do not have 20% or you don't want to tie up your cash like that, I do have as low as 10% down. The interest rates are a little bit higher, but that is a non-QM. So that's a non-conforming loan. We have a 10% down jumbo loan. Most of your jumbos are going to require that 20 to 25%. So we do have that. We can go up to 50% on the debt to income, where most we're going to be at 43%. So we go a little higher there, and we also don't have as high of the credit. So you're going to be looking at 760, 740 usually. I have it down to 680. Now I don't have 680 with 10% down. That's a little bit of a crazy mix for these lenders, but I can help you get up to that 720 with the 10% down. Just let me know what your primary goals are for this jumbo loan, and I'll help you with that financing, because your big box run of the mill have those big those rules in place. So that's that 20% down, 43% debt to income, and that 760 credit. Also super strict on the income. And if you have any credit events at all, like even just a little late payment, they're going to question that, even if it's within like 7 to 10 years. If they see that on the credit report, it might be an issue. So let's go ahead and take a look at what jumbo financing works best for you. I do have all those products, and it is my specialty. My very first loan ever was a jumbo loan. So I absolutely love them, and I cannot wait to help you get into your new luxury home.